Hello again, this is Ali from Wish Wash Car Wash. Today we have a customer, he's looking for packaged diamond, which include inside and outside. First step we're gonna do, we're gonna clean all the mess inside the car. Second step, we're gonna use the air compressor and we're gonna take all the dirt outside the car, dust, sand, anything that got stuck between the chairs, we blow it with the air compressor. Third step, we're gonna use the vacuum and we're gonna vacuum all cars. Okay. Now, fourth step, we're gonna use the tornado and we're gonna wipe all inside the car, the interior car. We're gonna use the tornado and especially the vents. Now step number 5, we're gonna clean all the windows from inside and outside. And as you see guys, I like to break the window a little bit so I can clean the edges. Now step number 6, we're gonna power wash the entire car from outside. Now number 7, we're gonna prep the whole car from outside and then we're gonna rinse it again. Now we prepped the car and we washed it, and now we're gonna dry it with a microfiber rag. Final step, we are going to clean the rims and we're going to give the tire shine. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the wash for packaged diamond. Please book your appointment today at 226-224-4451.